I've added these Minnesota County decimal degrees data to a new map in a project, and sometimes we wish to label features. In this case, we're asking you to identify the coordinates for the northeast corner of Ramsey County, but you might not know what Ramsey County is, or sometimes in styling maps, you will want to add labels. And first we have to know that there's something suitable to use as a label. So if I open the attribute table, I can see here then that there are various attributes, one of them being name. Now, we talked in the first week's readings and in the lectures about how each of these polygons often has associated with it a row in a table, and we'll work with these tables a lot later. But right now, we're just going to know that, okay, there's this name of a county in this county DD table associated with the polygons, and we want to use that to label each feature. So it'll take the name here and peg it on to the appropriate feature. Now, if I have a layer selected, so I've left-clicked, so I have this blue rectangle around the layer, up along the top here, there is a feature layer set of tools, and this one is labeling. If I left click on that middle one, I get a ribbon here with a new set of options, and it picks name in this case, not because it's clairvoyant, but because that's the only text in that table, and it assumes that I want to use a text for labeling, a text attribute. And over here there's an icon, which is a label with a check mark, and if I click on it, it adds the labels to all of them. Now it's kind of ham-fisted, they're all over the place and they're kind of ugly, but if I zoom in, these actually aren't too bad at size at the area or magnification that allows me to see the features that I'm interested in. So Ramsey County here. Now if I wanted to change any of this, like the font or the size, I could go up to the ribbon and change the values and it'll resize them. There are other things I can do in labeling, like I can in beyond or out beyond a certain scale, I can make the labels appear or disappear. I can change label placement styles. I can work with label overlap to reduce the overlap. I'm going to do none of that now, but you're free to explore that. I just want to show you how to put the labels on so you can find Ramsey County. On the course website in Canvas where you'll turn in these data.